Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all. Welcome back to Muslim Resolve. So inshallah in today's video we will gonna learn how to make a text with background as it was requested to me by one of our friend in the comment section. So he want to know how to make this kind of effect. I have made this video of the Aya channel. Inshallah it will be public on 17th of October inshallah. You can see
صاد والقرآن ذي الذكر بل الذين كفروا في عزة وشقاق كم أهلكنا من قبلهم من قرن فنادوا ولا تحين مناص.
So we will gonna learn how to make this kind of text inshallah. So I'll just create another inshallah project. I'll write text. So first of all we will create a timeline. Right click timeline, create timeline and press enter. So a timeline has been created, alhamdulillah. So now we will import our text from the effects panel, then goes to the title and select text plus. Remember to take text plus. So we will just drag and drop over here, and here it is custom title. So we will go to our website. I'll search previous.quran.com. so I'll select my favorite surah inshallah, that's Surah Hud. Okay, we will go in the reading section and we will see the page number 221, and we will copy the first verse inshallah and paste it as over here. Okay, in the inspector, then videos, and here. So we will just change the font to 221, press Q, and then it will come at the Q section, and then search for 221. So here it is. So now you can see, okay, verse is available, alhamdulillah. So we will add a background inshallah. So go to the shading section, okay, and just go to the fourth one, blue border, just enable it. So you can see this kind of background color has been appeared. So we will select in the property section, in the level, just change the character to line, so it will look like this. So we will just adjust the height maybe a little bit, okay, like this, and just change the color to whatever color you want. Okay, so also we can adjust little bit more. We will maybe you can do up and down, maybe like this is inshallah good. So you can do like this inshallah, so that you can get your desired colored background. And this, the reason for taking text plus is responsive. You can see, like I copied this and paste over here. Now you can just go to the second verse and paste it over here in the over here. So you can see it takes the size of the text. Likewise, if you go to the third, we'll take hasana. Okay, so I'll just paste over there. So you can see it has taken the size. So that's it for today inshallah. I hope you like the video. If you want to know another thing, inshallah, do let me know in the comment section. Inshallah, I'll try to make the video for you inshallah. Until next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.